world of colors. I'm Colors. Today I wanted to make a little video for you, just a quick idea that I had on making an easy little bumblebee. And this is what he looks like. Little easy peasy Beezy. He doesn't take too long and he's really cute. So I wanted to show you how to make him today. So what you're going to need for materials are some flat marbles, some pipe cleaners, some black pipe cleaners. This is the little bumblebee headband from Dollar Tree. And I have a 1-inch wooden knob that I painted black. And a half of, the vase filler foam balls that they have at Dollar Tree in all the different colors. And I've got them here in like a glowing yellow color. And I cut one in half, and that's what we're going to be using today. And then we're going to need a little, I didn't measure the beard. We're going to need a little beard, 4 by 3 inches long and 4 inches wide. Can't believe I didn't measure that for you. And then we're going to need a black children's little quarter sock. It's a size 1 through 7 from Dollar Tree. The label looks like that. And we're going to use one of those. And then we're going to use a striped sock I got from Amazon. Zakira London is what the name on the tag is. But you can just look up striped black and yellow striped socks on Amazon and they'll come up. And that's what we're going to use today. A rubber band, a piece of 1-ply jute. And that's all it's going to take to make up the little bumblebee. I'll be right back with you to get started. So you want to take your striped sock and just cut it along the top here. You can cut it straight across like that. And just save this piece for another project. We're not going to be using that. We're just going to use this bottom piece. You want to put some flat marbles in the bottom. I probably have too many out here. Yeah, that's plenty. And we'll fill it up with polyester fiber fill. And then we'll close it off with a rubber band and I'll be right back with you. I've got it stuffed all the way to the top. And then we're just going to clip this part off here. So we have our little stub. And then we want to take our wooden knob that I painted with the apple barrel pavement color paint. And we're going to glue it right on. There's a seam in this sock right there in the back. So we want to make sure we place the nose right. So it's going to have a center of the seam in the back like that. I like to have everything centered. So we'll get that. And while that's setting up, it seems to be holding pretty well for me. We're just going to need 2 of these pipe cleaners. I don't know why I thought 4 while I was doing the introduction, but it's just 2. So we want to take the 2 pipe cleaners and we're going to glue those on. So you want to find the middle and glue them on right in the black stripe like that. You just want to get your glue on your pipe cleaner. And put it right in the black stripe. Do that on the top, and I'm going to do that again at the bottom. And we'll just go in the black area down here on the bottom. I see I've got some glue. You just take a black marker and we'll fix up. It's kind of hard to do this without getting some glue outside the pipe cleaner. So I take it like this and do the little hands up like that. And I'll be right back with you. So the next thing that you want to do is take your headband and take your blow dryer and just take off the wings. You just want to heat up the wings. For probably a minute or two, and they'll come right off. See if they're ready. Like that. And then I'll do the other one, and I'm also going to cut off the antennas, and I'll be right back with you. What we're going to do is put on the wings. So we just want to glue them right on the sides like that, right on top of the little arms. So I'm going to put them right like that. So what you want to do is just get glue right on the edge. And then put that right on the side like that and hold it. Let that set up. And I'll do the other one, and I'll be right back with you. What we're going to do is make the hat. The gnome hat, actually, it's actually the head of the bee, but we're going to make it like a gnome hat over the nose. So you just want to fill it with the polyester fiber, fill the little sock. You see the seam right there, the sock seam will be on the front. And then you just want to put the polyester fiber fill in there, and then just kind of tuck the top of the sock. You're kind of making like a little mushroom. And then we'll glue that right on the top here. Just like we do the gnome hats. So I'm going to let that set up, and then I'm going to glue the back and the sides, and then I'll be right back with you. I've got the hat glued on, and what I want to do now is put the beard on. So we're just going to put the beard. I've got a little slit in, about a 1-inch slit, and we're going to take it around the nose and glue the two sides on. I'll get that tucked in there good. And then just glue the sides on. I'll hold those down while they set up. We're going to use the pick to give them a mustache. And we'll use some firm holding hairspray to hold the shape of his mustache and his beard. And the next thing we're going to do is put on the antennas. Turn them a little bit so I can center it. We're just gonna bend about 1 inch on the end of the antenna and glue that part onto the sides of the hat like that. I'll hold that one and I'll glue the other one, and I'll be right back with you. So then is what you want to do, last thing, is to take the vase filler, take a yellow one and cut it in half, and then just glue that on the bottom in the back for his stinger. Get a little glue here on the bottom and the back. Give him his little stinger. Isn't he cute? He's an easy little project, pretty fast, and doesn't cost very much. He's a cute little bee to put in your windowsill. And I was thinking you could even give him a flower. So if you like this video, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you back here again on Sunday.